Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to today's analysis. I'm excited today, 21st of November 2022, to announce to us that all our previous analysis, worked as we forecasted. If you have been following this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, and you have been watching our videos, you see that all our previous videos, more especially the one we did last week, actually worked as predicted. So we are going to go around to see the analysis last week and also see what we are expecting to happen this week, what we're expecting in the market. So let's start with XAU USD, which is gold. Last week we actually told you that gold is going to retrace because we've been buying gold. We started buying gold from this point and we bought up to 1780, up to 1780, and actually gold actually touched that. And then we told you that last week that there's going to be a retracement before gold will actually try to also test 1800 and maybe go beyond that. So it's actually playing out right now. So we sold gold last week. Let's just go to our channel, Telegram channel. Remember, we always ask you to subscribe to this channel and also follow us on Telegram, even on Instagram, on Dubiss1 on Instagram. You can see us there. And then on Facebook, Dubiss Integrated or Dubiss Forex Academy, Dubiss Forex Academy on Facebook. Alright, so let's see what happened on our Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. This is our free Telegram channel. You can see this morning, 21st of November 2022, we actually told those that are following us to close all the trades. These are the trades. Sorry, this is the program we did in Benin, in Nigeria. Let's go to the trade that I sent. Yeah, look at the trades. Good morning all. Sir, we have not dropped signals yet, but based on this video I made last that we asked you to watch on YouTube, all the trades are now running on profit. If you still want to join those trades, you are free as they just started. These are the trades we are on now. XAUSD sell, Euro USD sell, AD USD sell, GP USD sell, NZD USD sell, USD CAD buy, USD CHF buy. Alright, and actually it performed well last week, right? And look at where we still updated them and asked them to even move the TP for gold to 1760. That is for free group. But on the paid group, we actually waited till today and booked all the profits on gold. We have booked all the profit on gold from 1780 to 1740. That is 300 pips made on gold. Wow. Yeah, 1780 to 1740. That's 400 pips made on gold. This is amazing. You can see when we updated the running trades, the profit they were running, and then today we're still going to update those trades. You can see some of the samples. We actually take those trades, and these are some of our accounts that took those trades, and we make profits from them. You can see them, see all the accounts. Look at the gold when we sold it. This is from 1773 to 1760. Look at it. So we take those trades and we make profit. So always follow our videos, watch them, and then take action. Take those trades, and we are giving that for free of charge. Alright, so let's go back to our analysis. So look at it. Let's see what we are expecting. Actually, let's first of all look at what we made. Let's check it together. We started selling from 1780. We told you that it will go down, gold will go down last week, and it actually went down. So you can look at it and see it. This is 400 pips made from gold. And this morning I asked them to close the trade because we've actually made some good profit. It may bounce from that place, but let's look at this week what we're expecting from gold. Let's see the last movement, if it have actually where it is. Okay, so at the moment you see gold may still go down to around 38.2, 50.0 or 61.8. most likely till around 38.2. So we should still expect this week maybe something like this. We'll just see something like this, and then eventually price may move up this way. So this is what we are looking at on gold, for price to probably from this point, either from this very point, either it first move up, come down, and then let's say move up and come down, and eventually price fired up to 1800. So this is my analysis on gold. At the moment, when I pay good group, we just started buying gold on sniper entry, so it's a short-term trade, right? So this is my analysis on gold. So congratulations to all those that took the trade last week that we say sell gold. So 400 pips made from gold. These are amazing, right? Okay, so let's go to, you can see it on H1. On H1 is a harmonic pattern on H1. That's why on this H1 I want to like see if we can buy gold to at least 1750, right? This is what we're looking at for, maybe to buy gold to 1750, around 1750. So this is what we're looking at around close to 100 pips to make from gold this morning. All right, so let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD, last week we asked you to buy USD CAD based on the fact that previous analysis, I'm going to delete all these things. These are previous analysis. We started selling USD CAD from this point, and we got to this point. From this point, our latest, let's delete all this and make our charts clean. So our latest analysis, all right, our latest analysis on USD CAD last week was to buy USD CAD. Let's see what we made last 1 week. We want to see from this last low to here. Let's see where it is now. You can see it has touched 38.2. So that's why I asked them to actually book profit. Let's see how many pips we made from this point, because we started buying from this point. Look at what we made. 200 pips made from USD CAD. Gold 400 pips, USD CAD 200 pips. These are amazing. And I actually asked them to close the trade this morning. As you can see, price have touched 38.2. So there may be likelihood of price bouncing off from there lower, or after a little retracement to still try to get to 61.8. But at the moment, we can exit our trade with good profit because we've made 200 pips from last week trade. So congratulations. So this week on USD CAD, at the moment we just book our profit. So we still need to see if this zone will be respected or broken. If here is broken, then you know that the next stop will be 61.8. But at the moment, let's see, it's either from this point price goes down to maybe to come to this level. So at the moment, I stay out of USD CAD until I see either a proper break and retest of this structure or a downside of this structure. So congratulations to all those that took trade on USD CAD. Let's go to USD JPY. USD JPY, yeah, I didn't send this signal for people to actually buy, but from my analysis, I told you last week that USD JPY will also go up because of this massive movement from this point to this point. So we're going to see. Okay, I think I also need to clear this chart so that we can start on a new note as well. Let's start on. Okay, let's clear the chart so that let's clear the chart and so that we can start. Okay, we're going to start on a new note. So all this has played out, and I know that we made good profit from all those analysis. So let's go. So now our chart is neat now. So let's see what we are looking at. We are looking at from these points. Let's see where the price currently is. So you see that there is still room for upside. So this movement this week on USD JPY, price should still touch around 38.2 first, and then if he wants to go down, then before you go down, at the moment it has broken 23.6. For me, this is not a proper retracement. Proper retracement is 38.2. That is shallow retracement. Then 61.8. So then 61.8. Right. So at the moment on USD JPY, price is still trying to get to 38.2. So if you took the trade we sent last week on USD JPY, based on the analysis, you can see that price has moved 400 pips. USD JPY have moved 400 pips. So you can actually book your profit or move your stop loss to entry point and partial close your position. Ensure you book some profit, right? So price is gradually getting to 38.2 area. So congratulations to those that took USD JPY. So let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD, we actually send the signal on free group as well, and we ask you to sell AUD USD. So last week on AUD USD, this last week we started selling from this point, from up here, and let's see how many pips price moved from our entry point. You can see as at last week 144. Let's look at today because I have them to close it today. So this is 170 pips made from AUD USD. So at the moment we are out of the trade because I asked people to close their position. So but let's look at daily time frame to see. This is daily time frame. This is what we draw. Remember when we draw this, we told you that price could actually get down from here or push more up, which it did actually push more up, and it's currently going down. So AUD USD, I still expect more downside on AUD USD. But let's look at the harmonics. Let's see the last movement and see where the price is. You can see that price is almost at 38.2. That's where the price is, and that's why I said we should close our position. It may bounce from there or it may try to get to 61.8. So if you're still holding your position, please move your stop loss to entry point. But from the analysis, from what I'm seeing this week, there could still be more down on AUD USD, right? But price may actually bounce off from this point, and that's why you need to make sure you have partial close your position. For me, I'm already out of AUD USD. I've actually closed all my position on AUD USD on profit, on good profit. So you see how many pips we made from AUD USD. Let's check it again. We actually made, look at it, over 170 pips. So let's just use 170 pips. 170 pips made from AUD USD. Congratulations to all those that took the trade. Let's go to NZD USD. NZD USD, same. NZD USD didn't move very well, but it still moved down. Remember when I asked people to sell, and it was on this date, this particular date, I said we should sell NZD USD. And let's look at how many pips. It's still over 100 pips made from AUD USD, around 120. NZD USD, around 120 pips made from NZD USD. But this is more like a consolidation on daily time frame. All right. So we need to see a proper break, and that was why I decided to close my position on NZD-USD. We need to see if price will actually break from this structure. Look at when it broke, it came back up. If price will actually break here, break 6080, and then retest it, before I enter any position on NZUSD again, price needs to break 60800, retest it, and then before price goes more down. So at the moment, let me delete the previous ones when we started buying. When we're buying, let's delete all those ones, as we have actually booked enough profits from those analyses. Okay, so let's delete all this, make the chart clean. So at the moment, what we are seeing, we need to see a proper retracement. At the moment, price is still almost like consolidating on daily time frame. So we are still believing that price will still touch 38.2. Price will still touch 38.2. So if after this consolidation price breaks up, then we'll know that it will only retest and then continue to go upwards. This is the first scenario, and that's why I decided to book my profit. So let's see, but if price actually break down this level 0.60800, then price could now touch 38.2. Price will now touch 38.2. So at the moment for NZUSD, I'm out of the trade. So I can tell you that, like I said, you can book your profits and then enjoy your profits. Congratulations, 100 and something pips is still a good profit. So you can book your profits, and then let's wait and see if the price we follow, as in if there's going to be a break from this consolidation from this particular structure. Let's see where the price break out. So if price break this structure, so let me put it this way. This particular place. So once price breaks here, look at the structure here. So once price break down here, retest it, then we send another signal. So follow us on Telegram, Win Forex with Dubiss on Telegram, so that once we see a confirmation, we will send to you. Win Forex with Dubiss. Please, before we continue, please ensure you subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button. Alright, so let's go to GBPUSD. Alright, GBPUSD last week also, we told you based on these movements, let's also delete the previous analysis them, which actually worked as analyzed. So let's delete them. Alright. So at the moment on GBUSD, okay, sorry, let's delete all. Alright, the chart is clean right now. So what we're expecting from GBUSD, this retracement is still not enough. At the moment, we sold and we made, let's look at how many pips we made from GBUSD. Remember, we started selling from this last week, so we made over 250 pips. So this morning I asked them to close GBUSD. For those that didn't close last week, they were still holding their position, still around 240 pips made from GBUSD. So that's a good profit. So we need to wait, but if you are still holding your position, please ensure you put your stop loss to entry point or into profit, at break even or into profit. So I'm still expecting GBUSD to still move more down to at least 38.2. So that's my analysis for this week. We are still expecting GBUSD to touch 38.2 before price will now go further up. So at the moment, look at where the price is. So let's look at and see what will happen. If I still see any new opportunity on lower time frame, I will send it to Telegram channel. Right, so let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, this is amazing. Euro USD actually played out very well, just like we analyzed. We told you that on daily time frame that there is harmonic, which is what I left it. This is how our analysis last week was. This is where we are last week, and we told you that we are selling Euro USD, and we started selling from this point. Let's look at how many pips we made. Oh wow, 240 pips also on Euro USD. This morning we have actually closed our position because we have made over 200 pips. Because on lower time frame there may be a bounce. What we are looking at for Euro USD is for price, this harmonic, which is actually playing out now. We are expecting price to at least get to the supply zone, no, the demand zone rather, the demand zone. So which is around 38.2 or 50.0 on top of this structure, which is actually 50.0, right, or highest 61.8. So these are the three scenarios, 61.8. But definitely Euro USD for me is still bullish on a higher time frame, that is on monthly time frame. For me, it's still bullish. So after this retracement, we should still expect another move upwards for Euro USD. But at the moment, it's the retracement that we are selling, and we made 240 pips from last week analysis. So today, 21st of November 2022, we are already out of Euro USD. So waiting to see if price will actually touch the demand zone. So we want to look for opportunity to buy Euro USD. So if you're still holding your sell position, please move your stop loss to entry points or into profit. Congratulations to all those that took the trade on Euro USD. You can see our analysis on weekly time frame, what we draw on weekly and on weekly and on monthly. So on weekly time frame, we are still bullish for Euro USD. This is weekly, this is monthly, but on daily we are selling Euro USD, and you can see that the harmonic on 1 hour time frame, and that's why we actually ask you to close your position on Euro USD, because we've actually made good profit. We made over 200 pips, and the price is trying to bounce from this particular support zone. So congratulations to others that took Euro USD. Alright, so let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF. Alright, USD CHF. You can see our previous analysis on USD CHF. If you have not watched those videos, please go and watch it. Just watch our video last week, our last week video, last Monday video, which was actually on the 14th of November. Go and watch that video. So today being 21st of November, we are also analyzing again. So let's look at what we made from last week. I told you that there's going to be a bounce after this massive drop. We sold from this point and it got to this point, and last week we said let's buy USD CHF. And let's first of all look at what we made from last week. Our buy last week, look at it, almost 230 pips also made from last week. These are amazing. So we have closed our position. So let me delete all the previous analysis and make the charts clean so that we know where we are. Alright, these were previous ones. So this week on USD CHF, let's delete all those ones so that when these ones we're analyzing now, when it works, we'll come back and look at it. All these have already passed and we have actually made good profit from all the previous ones. So let's look at what's where the price is currently. So the price have not actually touched 38.2, So there is still room for more upside to 38.2 or probably 61.8. So we should still expect price to still go further up, right? But what will happen once I see good opportunity once again for those that already closed based on our instruction to close all the trade, those that have already closed your position, once we see another good opportunity on lower time frame, we'll send across also. So we're expecting price to touch this area before price will still go down, right? From these positions then, right? So by the moment price could still from this point make down and then go up, this way. So we could see these scenarios could play out, and that's why I asked us to close our position. These are the scenarios we are looking at. Price getting down from here to this point and then move up towards 38 or 61.8. So I will leave these ones now. These are analysis on USDCHF. At the moment we are out. So once there is good opportunity on lower time frame, we'll drop the signals on a free group. You can also join our pay group. Alright, so just chat me up on Telegram at Dubiss1 if you want to join our pay group. Alright, so let's go to JPY index. JPY index, if you have been following our videos, you saw when we're buying from this point to this point to this point. So we bought and price have actually touched our TP, and last week I told us that there will be a retracement, that instead of buying JPY pairs that you should sell, right? And this was the harmonic. These are the previous analysis, and let's see how many, if the price actually move as analyzed. So you can see where the price got to. You can see 186 points. So 190 points. This is JPY index. Alright, so if you enter that trade, please book your profits because price is currently almost at 38.2. So we are going to delete all these previous analysis. Alright, let's make the chart clean for next one. Alright, so these are alright, so let's make it neat. So if you enter the trade last week, you can see where the price is. So this low, you can see where the price is currently getting to from this place to this place. So you can actually book your profits, okay, right, for JPY pair. So at the moment, what we should expect, price could still go more down and then before price goes up. So if you enter that retracement, you can close your trade. It could actually go up from this point, or price could actually get more down before going up, right? So you can just book your profit if you enter that trade. That's for JPY index. Actually, I don't trade JPY index, but for those that trade it, I only use it to know how I trade other JPY pairs. So for those that are interested in JPY index, you can see my analysis and then take action. And then I believe for those that are asking for other JPY pairs, you can see that price could actually bounce from this point. So once we see any good position opportunity on lower time frame for other JPY pairs, we'll send the trade across, like CHF JPY and the rest, and Euro JPY. So on Euro JPY, you remember that we started selling Euro JPY. It didn't actually touch our entry points. We told you that price could go and then go down. It didn't touch our entry points, and I remember I still asked people to take the trade when I saw that price started falling from here, and you can see where the price got to. At the moment, it's consolidating, so there is no good opportunity. Price is at the middle, so we need to know whether it will actually move up back to this point, or it will start to break down from here. That's for Euro JPY. So today is Monday, no good opportunity today. Within the week, once we see any good opportunity, we'll make another video. So finally, on Euro GBP, let's look at how Euro GBP played out. Euro GBP played out exactly as forecasted. This is our sell zone. This is our zone where we kept, and I told you that price could go up and then fall, or get to the third. This is the first level, second level, or third level. So price actually fall from that second level. From first level, we traded and make profit. It came back to second level, and last week I told us that price will continue to go down from this level. So let's look at how many pips that Euro GBP have made from when we analyze from this level. You can see this 150 pips. Euro GBP made 150 pips, and there's still room for more down for Euro GBP. Congratulations to others that took the trade. Please close your positions or move your stop loss to entry, as we still anticipate price to still get more down. So these are analysis for the week. If we see any other opportunities, we will come back and let you know. Guys, please take these are videos analysis serious. Congratulations to those that took our previous videos, that watched them. So please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, and turn on the notification button, and please share this video. Let's make money in the global financial markets together. Good luck, guys, for this week. Cheers.